Hello art enthusiasts and fellow creators. Welcome to Ajay Art Life. I'm Ajay, and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, I'm excited to share my passion for art and drawing with you. On this channel, we explore the world of creativity, share tips and techniques,